Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with Temu affiliate program. Okay, I am going to show you how I make money with this, and I am new to Temu, so this is like a few months. I've been using Temu for like a few months now. I was like using AliExpress for like 5 years, but the commission rate is very low on AliExpress. Of course, it's high compared to other e-commerce websites like Amazon, but it's like 7% compared to like Temu. It's 20%. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how you can make money with this. I'm also going to show you some tips. Okay, so what I do here, I'm going to show you guys my method on how I make money with Temu. So I told my friend to create an account, okay, to sign up for Temu affiliate program. I told him to do that for me, okay. And what he does exactly is, whenever I receive a sale on my eBay account, because I do dropshipping from eBay from Temu, I just find products here from Temu and I list these products on eBay. And if someone buys the product from me on eBay, I go to Temu and I put the address of the customer, and then Temu sends the product directly to the customer. Now, how I make money, how I make this 20% plus. Of course, I make money dropshipping from Temu to eBay, which is like 50%, 40%, and plus I make 20% with the affiliate commissions. Now, how I do this is, I told my friend to create an account, and whenever I receive a sale, I just tell my friend to give me the link, the affiliate link, so I can buy the product through the affiliate link, and then I earn 20%. Okay, so I don't want to use that on my PC because I don't know if it's against their policies. But of course, there are multiple ways to make money with this. Now, I'm going to show you first, guys, how you can sign up for Temu affiliate program. Now, you just need to scroll down like your normal account. Of course, you can do the exact same steps on your phone if you want to do that. Now, you just need to scroll down at the very bottom, and you want to click on affiliate in here. As you can see, affiliate and influencer earn commissions. Now, after that, guys, what you need to do, guys, after you are on this page, now as you can see, there are multiple things here: share link, get referrals, earn commissions. Now, if you click here on hot items, here is exactly what my friend does. Like, if I receive a sale, for example, if I sold this product on eBay, I just tell him, hi, this is the link of the product, and he puts the link here. It says convert link, and he puts the link here, and then he gets like an affiliate link, and then that's exactly the link I buy the product through it. I buy the product through that link. I'm going to show you guys what I mean in a few seconds. Now, here it says hot items. When you click on hot items, now if you click here on share, and if you click here, it says item link here, as you can see. Just click on copy link here, as you can see, copy link, and this is the affiliate link. Okay, so if you give this to anyone, like if you promote this on Facebook, for example, or Pinterest, which I recommend you guys to promote products on Pinterest. It's very good way to make money with Temu. Now, you just need to copy this link and paste it on Pinterest, and of course you want to add pictures there so that people will like be curious to check how the product looks on the product page. Now, I'm going to show you guys what I mean in a few seconds. As you can see, this is like the Temu affiliate link. Okay, this is the link that if someone clicks on it and purchases the item, you are going to earn 20%. Now, I like Temu because of this, because on AliExpress it's only 7%. Okay, so I make money with AliExpress right now, but it's not really that much. It's like $200 a month or so. It's not really that much compared to Temu, where the 20% really makes a big difference. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this. If you click here, probably you are going to wonder how you can withdraw money. Like, to withdraw money, you will have to make at least $20, by the way. Now, here you want to click here on withdraw, and you will have to add there your PayPal account for instant withdrawal. Now, if you live outside of United States, like, you will have like multiple payment methods, I believe here. It depends. For example, you can withdraw money through PayPal or other payment methods here, but the best is PayPal. It's like instant, like you are going to receive the payment instantly. So that's like how you can withdraw money, but you will have to earn at least $20. Now, as you can see here, guys, on orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app, like any order. Okay, so if you, like, for example, I'm going to show what I mean exactly. Okay, so you are going to earn $10 for every referral who downloads and order, like order just a product that costs, for example, $1, you are going to earn this $10. Okay, I'm going to click here on details, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how this works. Now, if you click here on share and earn here, if you copy this link and send it to your friend, for example, and they downloaded the app using your link, you are going to earn $10. and also in the top of that, you are going to earn 20% commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral. So within the 30 days period, anything you buy, you are going to earn a commission which is of 20%. And that's exactly what I told my friend to do. He gives me the link and I always earn 20% commission. Of course, I give my friend like 5% of the money I make with the Temu. Now that's exactly how this whole thing works. Okay, so if you click here on invite affiliate, I'm going to click here. You can also, for example, like invite your friends for Temu affiliate program, and you are going to earn commissions, as you can see, up to $55. Okay, you can just click on invite and copy link, send this to your friends, and if they sign up for affiliate, like Temu affiliate program, you are going to earn up to $55. Okay, they also have here influencer. If you are an influencer, you have a TikTok account or TikTok or YouTube channel, you can earn up to $300, which is really ridiculous amount. I thought this is scam at the beginning. I thought they don't really receive the payouts, but it's really a legit business here. So that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. As you can see, if you scroll down a little bit, as you can see, like for a new app users orders, 20% commissions and $10 here. Now if you click here, it says affiliate, you will find multiple things here. For example, 100 coupon bundle here, free gift, as you can see. You can share this and you are going to earn a commission. Okay, you can just, for example, also save big. As you can see, you can just give a buyer a coupon so that you can encourage them to buy the product, to sign up for or to download the Temu app. Okay, so like Temu is a very good affiliate program. I really recommend you guys to do that. Like if you really want to make money, I don't know if you have heard of eBay dropshipping, but that's really what I do for living, to make over $7,000 a month, just doing nothing. Basically I just dropship. I will leave the link of the video in the screen. Just click on that video and it will show you exactly how you can make money with eBay dropshipping. So you don't really need any money like to start with this business. You don't need any money. Of course, I'm not going to sell you guys a course or anything like that. Just click the video in the screen and you will be able to learn how you can make money. Drop a like and see you guys next tutorial.